observes the fasten signals out of the captain as you know. However, your confidence was in safety with the rope of the keeping signals to the fasten throughout the flight. For your convenience, you've had a reminder for over 7 in the panel ensures the lobby ahead. And toilets and take off from in one to the front and two to the rear of the cabin. To ensure the cabin crew will commence with in-flight service, offering a wide selection of affordable drinks, such as these coffees, cappuccinos, hot chocolates, beers, wines, ribbons, and a very nice selection of snacks, fresh fruity sandwiches, and much more. For now, we invite you to sit back, relax, and enjoy the flight with us. Thank you. Señoras y señores, los camioneros, por favor, continúen cerrando los cinturones hasta que nuestro comandante lo haya pagado. No obstante, por su seguridad, recomendamos mantener sentados con los cinturones de seguridad abrochados durante el vuelo. Y para su comodidad tendrá un reloj de lectura, un timbre de aviso y el aire funcionado en el panel superior. Y los lavabos en este avión se encuentran uno en la parte delantera y dos en la parte trasera de la cabina. En breves instantes pasaremos, como es el medieval, al cual demostraremos un amplio surtido de frías, frías, calientes. Para los comentarios, cafés,